Getting started with cryptocurrency begins with setting up a crypto wallet. A wallet allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose the type of wallet. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets, which are convenient and connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are more secure but less convenient. For beginners, hot wallets are a good starting point for small amounts of crypto. Next, download and install the wallet. Visit the official website or app store to download the wallet of your choice and verify the authenticity of the website or app to avoid scams. For example, if you choose Trust Wallet, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After that, create a new wallet. Open the app or software and select Create a new wallet. Agree to the terms of service and follow the prompts. Then, secure your recovery phrase. The wallet will generate a recovery phrase, usually 12 to 24 words. Write this down on paper and store it in a secure place. Do not share this phrase with anyone, as it's the key to accessing your wallet if you lose your device. Next, set a strong password or PIN. Create a secure password or PIN to protect your wallet, using a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for added security. Now, fund your wallet. Obtain cryptocurrency by purchasing from an exchange or receiving it from another wallet, and transfer funds to your wallet using your wallet's public address. Familiarize yourself with the wallet interface. Learn how to view your balance, send and receive crypto, and check transaction history. Explore additional features like staking, swapping, or connecting to decentralized applications. It's also important to back up your wallet regularly. Ensure your recovery phrase is up to date and stored safely, and consider additional backups if using a hardware wallet. Keep your wallet secure by avoiding phishing scams and always double-checking URLs before entering wallet information. Enable two-factor authentication if supported, and regularly update your wallet software to the latest version. Finally, you're now ready to start transacting. Always begin with small transactions to ensure you're comfortable with the process.